Hello everyone, my name is Dream. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is the part 2 of the black dress transformation, and if you haven't seen the part 1, I will link it in the description box below or up here. So without wasting any time, let's begin part 2. Material required are the same as the part 1. Take a tracing paper and t-shirt which fits you really well. Fold it in half and place it like so. Now mark the sides and the shoulder line as well. For the neckline I wanted V shape, so from the shoulder I measure 7 inches on the front side. Draw the armhole area. I'm going to keep the top sleeveless. If you want, you can go ahead and add sleeves in it. Decide the length and mark it. Once everything is marked, add seam allowance on the sides and cut it out. Take your fabric and place the cutout on that. Mark it and cut it out as well. I was little confused in the end, so I added 1.5 inch extras on the sides too. For the back, trace the front cutout completely, leaving the neck area. Draw a high turtleneck design for the back. Mark 3.5 inches here and draw a slant line from the top to the point. Add seam allowance to it and cut it out. This is what it should look like. Pin the cutouts on the net design fabric and cut it as well. Close the neckline and the sleeves facing right sides together with a straight stitch, and for the back, close everything down, leaving the shoulder line. Remove the pins and turn everything right side out. First, attach the shoulders together and the side as well. For the tie-up at the back, take your fabric and cut out a long strip. We will need 2 such strips. Fold the strips in half, pin it and close it with a straight stitch. Turn it inside out so all the raw edges are inside. Do it for the other part as well. Before attaching everything, we need to add darts so the top fits well and perfectly. Decide where you want to place your darts and measure 1 inch of 3 points. Attach the point 1 and 3 together. This is what it should look like. Now for hemming the front bottom, mark and cut out a strip of 1 inch. Place the strip inside of the top and pin it. Close it down with a straight stitch. Fold it half and then fold it again over the top and close it with the top stitch. Place everything together for the back and attach it with a straight stitch. Cut off any extras. For the closure of the top, you will need hooks like this. Hand stitch some hooks and eyes. Lastly, I decided to add this lace on the front bottom and the back design as well. And you're done!
transformation, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion transformation videos, and also don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time
post a new video. Wish you and your family a very, very, very happy Diwali and Happy New Year for Gujaratis. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. And until next time, dream